Hello dear students, welcome back again. Today's lesson is about multiply fractions and mixed numbers. We can use the following rule to multiply fractions. If you have a over b, that means a or b, any number there, multiply c over d, will multiply a with c and will multiply b with d. And if you have mixed number, if they are mixed number, any mixed number, will multiply e with denominator and will plus with numerator. That means we'll add with numerator. Also from another fraction, we will multiply this mixed number with denominator and we'll add with numerator. After that, we'll write over fraction and remain same number at the denominator. Also from another fraction, remain same number at denominator. From example 1, find 11 times 9 over 10. Look at it. From there, we don't have any denominator, any number. It doesn't have denominator, so it's 1. You can put 1. So from first, we'll put 1. After that, you look at them. You can simplify them or not. 1 with 9, you can divide by same number. Or 10 with 11, you can divide by same number. That means we have common factor between them. So from there, we don't have, just we multiply 11 with 9 and 1 with 10. We multiply the by numerator and denominator with denominator. So 11 times 9, it's 99. 1 times 10, it's 10. 99, it's more than 10, so you can divide 99 by 10. It will be 9 and 9, it's remainder. We don't change the denominator. From example 2, we have 2 over 5 times 3 over 4. From first, we look at them, we can simplify them. We can divide 2 and 4 by 2. We have common factor between 2 and 4. 2 divide 2, it's 1, and 4 divide 2, it's 2. But from between 3 and 5, simplify them. So after that, we'll multiply 1 with 3 and 5 with 2. 1 times 3, it's 3. 5 times 2, it's 10. We get 3 over 10, it's simplest fraction. From example 3, we have 8 over 9 times 3 over 4. So from first, we look at them if you can simplify them. So from there, we have 9 and 3. Look at there. We will simplify the first denominator with the second numerator and the first numerator with the second denominator. So 9 with 3, you can divide by same number, it's 3. And 4 with 8, you can divide by 4. So 3 divide 3, it's 1. 9 divides 3, it's 3 because 3, it's common factor between 3 and 9. And 8 with 4, we can divide by 4. 4 divide 4, it's 1. 8 divide 4, it's 2. So now we write 2 times 1 and from bottom we write 3 times 1. 2 times 1 it's 2, 3 times 1 it's 3. 2 over 3 is simplest fraction. From example 4, we have mixed number. Before we solve it, we will solve this mixed number. For mixed number, we'll multiply the mixed number with denominator and we'll add with numerator. That means we'll multiply with under fraction and we'll add with over fraction. So 2 times 2, it's 4, plus 1, it's 5. We write from over fraction and the denominator and the fraction remain same. And from there we have 3 and 1 over 5. 3 will multiply with 5, it will be 15, and we'll add with 1, it will be 16, and 5, we don't change it. After that, we look at them if you can simplify. So from there, 5 and 5, we can divide by 5. So it will be 1. And 2, 16, they are even, we can divide by 2. 2 divide 2 is 1, 16 divide 2 is 8. Now we get a simplest fraction. 1 times 8 you write from there and 1 times 1. 1 times 8 is 8 and 1 times 1 is 1. So 8 divided 1 is 8. From example 5 we have 5 times 2 and 3 over 8. So from there we can use distributive way to solve it. From first we know that between mixed number and fraction we have plus. We write from there, we will put from there. After that this 5 will multiply with 2 and will multiply with 3 over 8. We will write 2 parentheses and from first parenthesis we write 5 times 2 and from second we write 5 times 3 over 8. Between them we put plus. 5 times 2 is 10 and from there we put 1 under this 5. So 5 times 3 is 15 and 1 times 8 is 8. Now we can simplify this 15 over 8 by dividing 15 divide 8, 1 and 7 its remainder. So because 1 times 8 it's 8 and plus 7 it will be 15. So we can use divide, long division, say 15 divided it's 1 times 8 it's 8 and 15 minus 8 it's 7. This one it's whole number, it's mixed number, and the remainder it's numerator. So we have 10 mixed number, we'll add with 1, it will be 11 and 7 over 8. Practice page 106. Find the product, right in simplest form. From number 4, we have 3 over 4 times 1 over 2. Between 3 and 2, we don't have any common factor. Between 4 and 1, also we don't have common factor. Else 1, so we don't divide by 1. It will be same number. So from there, 3 times 1, it's 3. 4 times 2, it's 8. That means we multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. From number 5, we have 1 over 3 times 5 over 8. Also, we don't have common factor between them, else 1, so we don't divide, we just multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 1 times 5 is 5, 3 times 8 is 24. From 6, we have 9 times 2 over 3. So under 9, we don't have any number. That means denominator, we can put 1, it's 1. After we put 1 from there, we will look at them if you can't simplify them. So between 1, 2, just we have 1, so we don't divide them. But between 9 and 3, we have 3. That means we have divide 3 by 3. Also, we can divide 9 by 3. So 3 divided 3 it's 1, 9 divided 3 it's 3. Now from place this 9 we'll write 3. 3 times 2 it's 6 and 1 times 1 it's 1. 6 over 1 it's 6 because 6 divided 1 it's 6. From 7 we have 2 over 3 times 4. So under 4 we don't have any number. That means we can put 1. After that we look at them. We can do simplify? No, because we don't have any factor, common factor between them, else 1. So we don't divide by 1 because it will be same number. That means we can divide 3 and 4 by same number. Okay, else 1. So we will multiply the over number with together and under number with together. 2 times 4 it's 8, 3 times 1 it's 3. We get 8 over 3. But 8 it's more than 3, so we can divide. 8 divide 3 it's 2. 2 times 3 it's 6. 8 minus 6 it's 2. This 2 it's remainder, it's over fraction, and this 2 from whole it's mixed number. 3 we don't change it, it's denominator. From 9 we have 1 over 2 times 2 and 1 over 3. We have mixed number. From first we'll solve mixed number. After that we look at them if you can simplify them. So 2 times 3 for mixed number we'll multiply this 2 with 3 and we'll add with numerator and we write over fraction. 2 times 3 it's 6 and plus 1 it's 7. 7 over 3 we write and first fraction we put down again. We look at them, we can't find common factor between 2 and 7. Also, we can find common factor between 3 and 1. So just we'll multiply the numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 1 times 7 it's 7, 2 times 3 it's 6. 7 more than 6, so we can write in mixed number. 7 divided by 6 it's 1, we know that. And 1 is remainder because 1 times 6 is 6 and we need 1 to be 7. So remainder we write from over fraction. From number 10 also we have mixed number. Before everything we will solve mixed number. 1 times 2 it's 2. We'll add with 1 it will be 3. And the denominator we don't change. 1 times 2 it's 2. With 1 it will be 3 over 2. After that, we look at them. Between 2, we don't have any common factor. Also with 2 and between this 2, 3, we don't have any common factor. So we can divide it. Just we multiply. We can't simplify it. Just we multiply. 3 times 3, it's 9. 2 times 2, it's 4. We get 9 over 4. 9 it's more than 4, so we can divide 9 by 4. 9 divide 4, it's 2 and 1 it's remainder. How you know that 1 it's remainder? Because we rewrite from there and 2 will multiply with 4 it will be 8 and for 9 1 it's remainder, we need 1 to be 9. From 17 use distributive. So if you have 3 times 9 and 4 over 5, from first we know that between mixed number and fraction we have plus, so from there we write plus, we put in parentheses. After that this 3 will multiply with 9 and we multiply with 4 over 5, we make two parentheses. we write between them plus. From first tens, we write 3 times 9. From second, we write 3 times 4 over 5. So 3 times 9 is 75. From there, we don't have denominator. We will write 1 and we'll multiply 3 times 4. It's 12. 1 times 5, it's 5. 12 over 5. 12 is more than 5, so you can divide it. 12 divided 5, it's 2, and 2 is remainder. So the denominator is same number. After that, this numbers we have, this whole numbers we have, will add together. 27 plus 2 is 29, and 2 over 5. Have a good time.